Now in this we are going to add birds which are flying birds. So let's try to give them different shapes like we see in the reference, like differently placed wings, and they are just basically strokes of paint, black ones. So you can kind of zoom in and see the original painting photo too for this part. Okay, and let us see. So I'm gonna draw these birds with wings placed differently so that they look more natural and a little more detailed. So when you look at it from far, you'll be able to see how natural it looks. Happy painting!